And as we developed all these facts bit by bit, it became obvious that we had bad, willful, intentional conduct to help Americans hide money.
Look, one of the great mysteries of what happened in February 2009 is how were these names picked? Who picked them, and what were the criteria? Switzerland has ratified, but the great United States of America Senate has not.
Just step back for a second and think, what issue here in the United States would cause a third-party country to do something for all of us to take a step back and make a vote, yes or no?
That you have to draw a line here somewhere between decisions of state tax policy, which always are selective in some sense of the word, between those who benefit and those who don't, and selective state aid, which implies a benefit to a particular defined group.
There is the question, if the commission is, as you say, the new cop that is going to be enforcing transfer pricing, to the extent that those transfer pricing standards are applied to countries with which the U.S. has tax treaties, we have some interesting questions.
The problem really comes, and this is where there's this discrepancy, that the EU is not a state, and that its decisions with respect to those transfer pricing or PE allocation rule cases actually show that there's a body making a decision for other states, and those states have to act in a certain way and don't know what to do now, because we have agreements, but we would break them if we act in accordance with what the Commission says.
We approached the IRS and we said, you know, we're all hearing from more and more people, you really ought to think seriously about adopting a settlement initiative here, just like you did on Son of Boss or some of these other issues, and creating a program for people to come in and make things right.
And now the fact patterns were on the front pages of the local newspaper, the New York Times, the Wall Street Journal, 60 Minutes. For the first time that I know in my relatively young career, 15 years now, you see criminal tax was sexy.
People are not speaking the same language, and unless we have some effective translators, there's a danger that will tip over into retaliatory actions without really understanding how we got there.